Hey, how you guys doing? Yeah, this is Kevin from St. Louis. Yeah, my show is called Pickin' in the Hood too, cause you know we pick in the hood too. But anyway, yeah, I'm finna show y'all some of the stuff that I bought yesterday and today. Well, not today. I think it was yesterday, um, Thursday, when I went to one of the places I go to. Y'all know I don't like to say the name of the places I go to. You know what I'm saying? No, no, no. We don't, in the hood, we don't give up where we shop at. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a whole lot of other folks that pick in the hood too. You know, and I want them picking in the hood too where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Word to the mothership. But let me get to some of the stuff, the low end stuff I bought. Okay. Then later on, I'm gonna tell you what I sold. I sold like 9 things. Me and my wife went to Las Vegas. I took her there for her birthday. You know, we spent like from last Wednesday. We just got back this Wednesday, so it was close to a little bit over a week. Yeah, so we was going. I went to one Goodwill while I was there. I didn't get to record nothing, but you know they didn't have too much stuff, and their prices are much higher. So let me get to what I found. Okay, I found 3 pair of golf shoes. You know, I like buying out golf shoes. These are women golf shoes right here. As you can see, it's got the V on the bottom. That's you know, somebody that's famous. You know, got his own line of golf shoes and golf clothes. I got some golf shirts that got the V on it, but I forgot what it stands for, so I don't give a damn. I forgot what it stands for. I'm selling them, so what up? Whatever. I'm just telling you. But anyway, these are size. Forgot what size they are, but these are women's shoes. I ain't look up the comps yet, but I'm pretty sure I can get about at least $20 for these. I paid $4 for them, so that's how much I paid. Okay, then I got another pair of women golf shoes. These are FootJoy. I sold these before. But it was in men's. Um, I think I paid $4 for these too. I'm not sure. One of these pair, it was $4. I got half off because it was, you know, the tag. You know, sometimes they have like a blue tab half off. So I forgot which one it is. But anyway, I got these two. See these? I'm gonna get at least $18 to $24 out of these too. $4. And I got some Adidas. Some Adidas golf shoes. See these? Adidas golf shoes, woman size. You know, they pretty nice. I'm gonna clean them up. I probably can get about $20 to $30 for these. You know, I like selling golf shoes. You know, like doing that. And y'all know that I said I was gonna start selling hats. I got this snap-on hat right here. For those who don't know, you know, I'm a hot rider, and you know, snap-on tools are some of the best tools you can buy. So this hat right here, I ain't looked up the comps yet, but I know I can probably get about $10 for it. I paid $2 for this hat, so I'm gonna try to get $3 of shipping, you know, and it's really gonna cost me a little bit over $3 to ship, probably $2.95 or something like that. 'Cause it's real light. And what I do, I put them in a mailer, and I put like stuff it with paper, and put it in the mailer so it'll stay puffed up. And that's what I do with it. I don't care. You could iron the hat when you get it. I don't give a damn. No, I'm just playing. I do try to make it where it don't, you know, it's not gonna get balled up in the mailer. Okay, this snap on, and I got 2 of these. All these hats brand new. I don't buy used hats and sell them. I'm just starting to get into hats. And I sold that John Force hat I showed you guys a couple of videos ago. I sold that John Force hat for $17, something like that. But it was free shipping on that one. These are tequila heat hats, tequila sweet heat hats. I got 2 of these. They're brand spanking new. See, they're brand new. You know, I'm looking at the comps on these. I think they sell them for like $15. And I bought my friend Matt, a part-time picker. What's up, Matt? He got a whole lot of these that he's selling. These are little things you put on your faucet, so little kids can get water and drink and stuff like that. See, and they're real nice. I'm gonna sell this for about, I think I paid 50 cents for this. It don't have a price on it, but it's a well faucet fountain. That's what it's called. Okay. Then I try to sell, when I see water filters, I buy them. And I sell a whole lot of water filters. This one is a Carlican water filter right here. You can see, I don't even see the price. I think I threw the price off of this. So I don't see the price on here. I think I paid $1 for this. I have to look up to see what the comp says on this. Excuse me, what the hell? Excuse me. I have to look up to see what the comp says on this. I don't know what the comp says. I just buy them because I know they're sale. So there's another water filter. It's a water pick, refrigerator water filter. Shit. I don't know how much I paid for this. But anyway, I get about $1 to $2 I paid for this. I don't see no price on it. I'll probably get about $20 for this. I like selling shoes too, but they kind of get pricey to mail. But I got some Skechers walking shoes, exercise shoes for women. I got these. I'll probably get about $20 for these. I spent $40 the other day at this store I go to. I don't hardly never spend $40, but sometimes, you get a lot of stuff. It adds up. It pisses me off when I got to spend $40 though. So I got 4 pair of shoes out of that. So then I got this little. I don't even know if all the stuff is in here, but I looked at it, and it's just. I paid $3 for this. It's a model set. Tank, Russian tank. It looked like whatever it is. No, this is a German tank. So I looked up the comp on this, and it was like $20-something. So I said, I'm buying this. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, it's brand new in the package, but I don't know if it's everything. What the hell? I don't know if everything in there or not. But it was $3, and I think it was half off that day. This from a previous time I had went to Goodwill. This wasn't yesterday. I don't know how I ended up in this bag. Then I got this old-fashioned wine. I'm talking y'all old school people remember this. Ooh, you pour the thing. On this one, you pour down on it though. I paid $1 for it. I don't know how much it cost on that. It was just $1. So if I don't sell it, I'll give it back to Goodwill. It'll make me no difference. It was $1. So I bought this. And then the big item I bought yesterday, y'all, was I'll show you in a minute. But it's selling for like over $100. I think I paid $10 for it. Something like that. See this breast pump? Rumble Tough breast pump. I paid $4 for that. See that price? $4 for this. It's an open box, but it's never been used. I checked it out. It was an open box. Everything still got all the plastic on it and everything. So somebody just opened it up to look at it. But what the hell? Yeah. Anyway, it's an open box. And you can see it written on there. Brand new, never open. But it was open. So whatever. But anyway, if it's brand new, never open, I wouldn't know. But check that out. All new. See that? Never used. See that plastic on it? Y'all know I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't know what y'all looking at. But y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. You know that. I told y'all that 1,000 times. I don't know what I'm doing. But it's got CD for it. I don't know what you need that CD for. I guess to teach you how to use it. I think I just put it on the part of the body the milk come out. I don't want to say what it is, but I love it though. I love that part. But anyway, put on that part right there, and it sucks. That's the only thing we need instructions for. You know what come out at, and you know this thing sucks. It sucks the milk out. So I don't know why you need a CD or DVD or whatever it is. So anyway, whatever. I'll pump it out for you. I'm just playing with you. But anyway, yeah, this is selling for well over $100. I think I'm gonna put it on there for $99. Put it on there for $99. Undercut everybody. Sell my breast pump. Sell this breast pump. You know what I'm saying? Put it on there for $99.99. But you know, we in the hood, we undercut people. You know what I'm saying? We undercut people, and we don't give a damn. So that's the hood. I'm just playing. We're in the hood, we reasonable too. We just, you know, I'm just trying to make it seem like it's tough, but it's not tough. People in the hood cry too. I'm not crying though, but I'm just saying, people in the hood do cry, and people in the hood got problems. It ain't just all about violence in the hood, and they ain't about the hood, because the hood is where you live. So anyway, well, I don't want to get off into all that, but anyway, you know, I just like saying stuff that don't make no sense, but that's okay. You know, somebody got to do it. I just say stuff. Just stuff come out of my mouth because I'm old. You know what I'm saying? Just things just come out. I'm old and I just say stuff. So don't pay attention to me. But anyway, that's most of the things that I had bought yesterday. And we had a little strangler snuck in the bag. I don't know where he came from. What the hell? I will show you this book that I bought. It's a strategy guide to go to one of these video games. But I looked up the comps, it was selling for $2. So I'm not gonna show you that because I'm not even gonna send that off. Even if I make $3 off of it, I'm not sending that off because then I gotta charge the buyer. Probably that's going media mail, so it's probably a couple of dollars, probably about $3 or $4 to mail that. So I get $1 while the post office getting $3 or $4. That's crazy. I ain't mailing that. That's crazy. I'll just keep it and put it in my library, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna cut in another video with this from items that I sold since we've been gone. No, not since we've been gone, but like the past 3 days that we was gone. I sold like 7 to 8 items, you know, and then I sold. You guys didn't go with me on this one video, but I sold this electronic tester that I paid $49.99 for, and I sold it for $425. $425, and the only reason it's $425 because I undercut everybody and put mine in a different spot on a different spot. Anyway, they couldn't. I put mine in a different place on eBay. When I lowered the price, they put it in a different place. It's in a different price zone. Everything. Everybody else was selling for $540, $520. I went down to $425 with free shipping. It cost me $30 to ship that thing. That thing weighed 31 pounds. It's an old-fashioned this everything tester, but it weighed 30 pounds. I had to take it to FedEx because I think the United Postal Service wanted like $40, $50 for it to send it off. So anyway, what the hell wrong with me? Why I keep yawning? I'm old, that's why. But anyway, I just want to tell y'all keep picking out there, and remember to subscribe and push the like button if you like my videos or whatever. But I think I'm just gonna make another video because I'm not gonna cut the other one into this one because I probably would be different clothes and everything like that, and that kind of stuff confuses me, because I'm old. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and you guys have a good night and a good weekend, and I'll see y'all later. Keep on picking in the hood too. Woo!